For the past few weeks, the Northwest bowling team has been practicing their upcoming season.
I'm Faith Lamb, and I'm a senior on the girls bowling team. We practice Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, and when we get there, we start with no steps, and then we do one steps, and then we usually do full approach, maybe some Baker games, which is like one person bowls and the next person bowls, and then sometimes we do a full game by ourselves. Bowling is scored by if you knock down all the pins, obviously it's a strike, and then whatever you leave, like if your first shot, whatever you leave, you want to try to pick it up.
I'm Yair, and I'm on the boys bowling team. Off season, sometimes we practice. We have a club where during summer we bowl. Go to York, Hastings, around Nebraska.
I enjoy bowling because it's been in the family for a long time, and I've been bowling since I was, I think, 3. And then just last year we had a freshman join, and her and I have been bowling together for a long time.
I enjoy it because it's a fun activity to do. I've been doing it since I was little.
Last season, the team qualified for state.
I'm really looking forward to just be able to bowl again this year, just since last year my season got cut short. I'm really hoping we can make it to state too.
I know our team is weaker this year since we lost like 3 of our best bowlers this season, but I feel like we still have a chance to make it.
Good luck to the bowling team on their upcoming competition season.